So I was telling you. So what is happening in this? That the ball is actually falling down from the height. It has velocity 0 at that point. It has velocity 0 at that point. Right? And so it has got no potential, it has got no kinetic energy at the highest point of it. But as it comes down, it starts gaining the velocity. It starts gaining the velocity. So why its velocity is increasing? Because it is spending
Kinetic energy is increasing.
Kinetic energy is
potential energy. Right? So the real example, the real sense behind this, we are putting to use the mechanical energy. And I told you just now that first of all, the potential energy is changed into kinetic energy. And then it can be used in the further purposes. So the potential energy is changed into kinetic energy. Velocity is increasing. We're choosing a point in between somewhere, say point B. So please see this point B here. Now at point B, the ball has traveled distance x. You see here, ball has traveled distance x. Its initial velocity u was 0. Initial velocity u was 0. It has traveled a distance of x. Velocity, and it is experienced by the acceleration due to gravity. So a is small g. We're going trying to find out the velocity of the falling body at this point. How to find that? How to find that? V squared equals to u squared plus 2gh. So tell me whether u is 0 or not. Who will tell me that? Whether u is 0 or not?
no, sir.
No,
Sir. No, sir.
Who is saying no?
Sir.
Who is saying no? U is 0. It was at rest here. It was at rest here. It is mentioned here, you can see U is 0. It is starting from rest. So make a point in your book. Whenever body starts falling down, always starts from rest. So write in the book, the initial velocity of a freely falling body is always taken as equals to 0. Note down, please, everybody. Note down, please.
So please repeat.
The initial velocity of a freely falling body is always equal to 0. The initial velocity of freely falling body is taken always as 0. So here also we're taking u0. You can see here u0 and it is 2gx. So and displacement is how much? X, and a is equals to how much? G. That gives me the values as v squared equals to 2gx. Who all understand the point? कौन ये बात समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
Who all understand the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I understood.
Okay. So I move from here now. So I'm kind of
Sir,
underlining this.
sir, at point B, the ball will have a kinetic and potential energies both.
I'm coming to it. Yes. Yes. So at this point B now, at this point B, ball has velocity also. So it has got kinetic energy also, and few of the remaining potential energy as well. So at point B, ball has both the energies, the kinetic energy and potential energy as well. Ball has both the energies, the kinetic energies and potential energy as well. So how much is the potential energy? Tell me. बोलिए. How much is the potential energy of the falling body at point B?
mgx. mgx.
Why
mgx.
mgh now? Why
MGH.
mgh? It is not mgh. Height is not h. It has
No,
traveled.
sir, mgx.
MGH
mgx.
minus
It is
X.
not mgx also. अंडरस्टैंड, जब हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो हम ग्राउंड से उसकी हाइट कैलकुलेट करते हैं. वी डोंट वांट कि वो कितना ट्रैवल करके आ रही है, वी वांट वो ग्राउंड से कितना ऊपर है. सो इट वाज एट द हाइट h of the ground. It has
So potential energy will be mgh minus x.
Yes, that is correct.
Yes,
so the ball is h minus x height above the ground. So to calculate the potential energy, you must use the height as h minus x. So you see here, the potential energy in the ball is, in the freely falling body, is mgh minus x, and the kinetic energy is mgx. We need to find the total energy of the ball. So I'm adding up both the energies here. When we're adding both the energies, I find that this energy is equals to mgh again. This energy is equal to mgh again. Ball is still traveling. Ball is traveling down, further downside towards the ground level. It's further coming down to the ground, that is at point C. It has traveled all the way h height. So at point C, can you understand that? On the ground, the velocity u was 0. Distance it has traveled is high, h. Acceleration is equals to small g, because gravity is pulling it down, so small g is gravity due to only. So the velocity formula again, v square equals to u square plus 2gh. बोलिए u कितना लगेगा?
0.
So 0, and v square equals to 2gh. V square equals to 2gh. Right. So at the ground level, now tell me, at the ground level, body की height कितनी है? How much above the ground it is now?
0.
0 height. Ball is actually now on the ground. Ball is now on the ground. So height of the object is 0 of the ground. So you tell me, somebody, how much is the potential energy of the falling body at the ground?
0.
Right?
0.
Say how much? 0.
0.
We calculate the potential energy, the kinetic energy, sorry, at the ground level. So we say when ball is just about to reach the ground, you लिखिए, book में लिखिए ऊपर, when ball is just about to reach the ground. All write down please. When ball is just about to reach the ground, the velocity of ball is equals to v. ठीक है, नोट कर लीजिएगा, just about to reach the ground. That means we are assuming that ball is almost on the ground. It is not striking the ground. It is almost on the ground. The height is 0, right? Velocity, final velocity, say how much? What is final velocity of the ball? V equal to V only, we can take V only. Height equal to 0. Understand? Acceleration. बोलिए कितना acceleration? Small g is the acceleration. So now I find out the value of the kinetic energy here. kinetic energy is actually half mv square. Kinetic energy is half mv square. So you put the value of v square as 2gh. I got the value as mgh, and because potential energy is 0, so on the whole total energy is mgh only. So there are three different points. There are three different points. I'm underlining them. Please understand. One point was point A. Other point is point B here. And the other point is point C. At all these 3 points, the total energy of the falling body is mgh and mgh and mgh. It is a very, very important derivation for your board purpose also and for your school purpose also. You must all write down this in your copy and you will show it to me tomorrow, written in the copy for sure. I'll not take any topic today. It's enough theory for a day. So I'm going to stop it after this. But you must all write down this derivation in your copy carefully. Draw a diagram, write down things. Just don't copy down 2 lines. Do it carefully. Understand? Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I am taking you.
Yes, sir.
I can take a little bit more of the next point here. I can show you one more diagram. Yeah, I'll take it tomorrow. Now it is little bit now complicated. I will show you how to represent the graph. I should represent the graph with the help of show the graphical representation of conversion of energy in freely falling body. So I have a little idea I'm giving you. You see all these things. These graphs are actually, representing how things are moving, how the kinetic energy is changing. So ये portion दिखाया है, total energy दिखाई है बच्चों, ये ground level दिखाया है, and how energy is there, what energy is there. ये graph, potentially ये graph kinetic energy का है, you can see here, and ये graph potential energy का है. I'll take it tomorrow in detail all these things, but on your part, keep that work बिल्कुल thorough. इस derivation को बिल्कुल अपनी copy में properly लिख कर रखिएगा. I'll start tomorrow with the next topic. Today I'm stopping it here, right? And I will discuss tomorrow with you the questions of exercise number B as well. So second B exercise के numericals करने हैं बच्चों, और second B exercise के theory करनी है. आपने क्या theory questions कर लिए हैं या नहीं किए हैं? You have not done?
17. So, total 17.
Okay. So now you can solve the entire. You can do all the questions now. So you have done with the change of energy. So you can do all the questions now from 17 onward also. So please try to do all these questions today, and tomorrow I'll discuss the next topic and these questions. Understand? And we also try to do the numerical portions of exercise number B. So on your part, try some numericals. How much you can do on your own. Try them, give them a try. The concept को use करिए. It's a very, very important chapter for both purpose. Numerical portions from first question onward. 23 numericals in this. At least solve.
Sir, assignment is book, sir.
Book I'm talking about. Assignment now I'll discuss tomorrow. Today time is not anymore there. So I will discuss assignment tomorrow now. And today you should, मुझे जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल मत करिए, सब चीजें आराम से करिए. बहुत सारा काम करने का है. It's a lot of work to be done. And if you don't do practice of this chapter carefully, board ask you very, very complicated and applicable questions. Keep this chapter at a usual pace. So do all the work, please. Do all the assignment, do all the questions. It'll take time, but we'll do it this way only. Understood? Everyone understand that?
Yes,
so, I will be meeting you tomorrow now.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I think today I think topic was clear to you. So